Goes from a long connection, yeah, with a feel. Slow him down. Don't let him be rude. That's it. And go on again. Practice that again. Go long. And really, again, really conscious of your left. That's a girl. Now, before you actually start to shorten up your rein, just tell him to wait a second. Now, slowly gather your reins up. Wait as you do it. That's a girl. Now, go ahead and relax. Yeah? Good. Much better. Walk is so important anymore, you know, it's double coefficient mostly, so you want to make sure that you get a good score on that. And keep his pole right about there. Good. Not a girl. And then when you're ready, you go ahead and trot on. Now, walk again. We want that clear into the trot, okay? Walk has to stay clear, not jiggy, before you trot on. Do that one more time because I missed that. Good. Good girl. Yep, and keep riding him up to the bridle, but again, controlling the step. Super. Keep that tempo, not less. Very nice. Good job.